Yo, what's good, millionaire gangs? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some secret habits that I've been implementing on my trading journey, and I won't lie for you guys, I've been seeing massive improvement. So, as a millionaire, you should be reasoning like a millionaire, and if you're a millionaire, stick to this video and watch me share this habit with you guys. Without wasting much of your time, I'm Kokus FX, and in this my YouTube channel, I document my journey as a developing forex trader and my ups and downs. So this is one of the video you want to watch because it's always real. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and without wasting your time, let's go straight to the main point of this video. Then like earlier in the video, I said I'm gonna be sharing with you guys, my fellow millionaires, some secret tips that I've been implementing, some secret habits that I've been implementing on my forex journey, and I've been seeing some massive results. So without further ado, then habit number one. Habit number one is that each time I come into the market, I come with a fixed bias. So this might sound, you probably don't, you have heard of them. We have heard of the word bias, and you don't know what a bias is. Bias means the direction I'm coming for the day. Example, like I'm trading GBP USD, and today I'm saying that GBP USD is going to be bullish or is going to be bearish. So on a particular day, I'm not changing my bias, I'm not changing my perspective, as I have in mind that today is going to be bullish, and I'm only going to be looking for bullish opportunities, even though the market will manipulate you into giving you some selling signals, some bearish opportunity. But bear it in mind that your first perspective was bullish, and it is bullish, and nothing to change, nothing going to change that bullish perspective of yours. So that's my habit number one, because earlier when I started, when I come to the market, I'm confused. I'm gonna be a buyer, I'm gonna be a seller on the same day, and that's a very bad habit, and that's always led me to draw down, blowing my $10 account, blowing my account, all of that. So but this particular habit has actually helped me a lot, because when I come to the market, I know, okay, today Kokus, you're a buyer, and today Kokus, you're a seller, depending on what the market gives me for the day, and what my technical analysis tells me for the day. So before you can attain your bias, make sure that you have already done your technical analysis and stuff like that. So that's habit number one. Then habit number two, stick to the video, because the habit number five, the fifth habit, is the best of it all, and you don't want to miss it, because you're a millionaire and you need these five habits. Then the habit number two is my money management. Okay, let me assume that I have a $1,000 trading account, and each of the day that I come to the market to trade, I fix a particular amount that I'm willing to lose for the market on that particular day. You all know that we have 5 trading days in the week. Probably most of you guys that trade BTC, you have 7 trading days in the week. But as we millionaires, we trade 5 days in the week so that we can use weekends to chill out. You understand the vibe? So on the 5 trading days, example, on Monday, from my $1,000, okay, I say, Kokus, I'm willing to risk. I'm giving you guys an instance. I'm willing to risk $100 today from my $1,000. Probably you guys, I said that's too much, but I'm just giving you guys instant, because everybody have their own risk management plan, and probably let me assume that my own risk management plan is that I'm gonna be risking 1K or $100 from my 1K every day. So if I come to the market, and remember I told you guys from the first habit that my first habit is knowing my bias, and second habit is my money management. Assuming that I know that, okay, today is gonna be a buying day, I'm gonna be bullish on GBP USD today, and I'm gonna be risking $100 from my $1,000 account, and that's what I can afford to lose. So what did I do? Since I've confirmed my bias with bullish and nothing else except bullish, so I fixed my daily risk of $100 to it. So if the market didn't go in my favor and reverse my stop loss and take my $100 out, I'm done for the day, and I'm done for the day. So that's my risk management, my money management plan. If market reverses to my stop loss and take my $100, then I'm done for the day. Probably when I started learning the forex, because those time I was funding $10, $20, even though I'm still funding $10 to do some flipping. But that period I found $10. I said, okay, I'm going to be risking $2 today, but at the end of the day, I found out that I ended up risking the whole $10 because I didn't have a money management plan. And that's the secret. And then the secret number 3 is patience. What is patience? Patience is the ability to wait for your setup to play out. Probably when I started learning forex trading, patience was I lacked patience a lot. Like that was the part I was leaking. Like when I say I leaked, I leaked. So, but as a millionaire, I came to understand that patience plays a vital role in any business. So I have to wait. I have to wait patiently for my setup to play out because price and before according to ICT, because I trade the ICT concept, before the price is delivered for the day, it first of all go in a manipulation phase and then distribute for the whole of the day. So during the manipulation phase, this is your patient. This is your patient phase. You have to wait for price to accumulate, manipulate those that you manipulate, because as a millionaire, price shouldn't manipulate you. As a millionaire, you should know what you're looking for, and when it plays out, don't hesitate. I execute like a robot. So that's what I do as a millionaire. And then when this happens, I wait patiently until my setup plays out, and then I take my trade. So that was make me a millionaire, and you should do same too, because you are a millionaire. And then the habit number 4 is my ability to hold trade. Probably most of you guys, you have gotten your daily bias correct. You have known the amount of money they want to risk for the day, and you have patiently waited for a setup, and then it's now time to hold the trade. As a millionaire, you shouldn't cut off your losses when it hasn't gotten to your stop loss, or take partial profit when it hasn't gotten to your full TP. Millionaires don't do that. So what you are expected to do is wait. Since you have waited for your setup to play out, and you have known that today you're gonna be risking $100, and you have put your stop loss and put your take. Probably you are risking $100 to make $200, or you're risking $100 to make $300, depending on what the setup gives you. Okay, let me assume that you are risking $100 to make $200. 1:2 risk to reward ratio, and price, because when it comes to trade and holding trade, we have two categories of people: those people that cut off their losses and those that take partial profit. Probably let me assume that Mr. A falls in the category of people that cut off the losses. When you take your trade, and the trade haven't started playing in your favor, the trade has started reversing against you, probably you risk $100 and you are seeing negative of $50, and you don't want to lose your money. You cut off the trade, and immediately cut off the trade with a loss. Then the market reverses and move in your favor, and you'll be like, oh, why did I cut this trade? And what happened next? You start chasing price, and before you know it, you have gone against your money, your max daily risk, and you have messed up your psychology. And then the second category of B traders, Mr. B trader, is personally waited for the setup, and when the setup is playing out, and remember that they risk $100, but when they see $30, they're already taking $30 and close the trade, and I'll be like, let me just hold this one that I see. I don't know this market, they can reverse and hit my stop loss. So, but when they end up taking the $30 partial profit that I've seen, the market is packed down into their TP, and they'll be like, oh, I wish I know I would have hold this trade to my TP, and that's a very bad habit. And then the fifth habit, so make sure you stop that, because millionaires don't take partial. Millionaires wait for the results, and that's what you should do as a millionaire that you are. And then the fifth habit that have really changed my life, this is the best part of it, and I told you guys that the fifth habit is the most important one, and you don't want to miss it. And then what's this fifth habit that I'm emphasizing on, and that is praying to God. This is the most vital part of it. Or probably you guys you say that there's nothing like God in forex market. But as a millionaire, millionaires don't reason that. Millionaires reason God first, because when you put God first, or one with God is majority. Make sure you pray to God always. Pray to God about your forex journey, because God is the only one that can help you balance your psychology. You can know everything you know, but without God, you are nothing. So make sure you put God first, and then you see many changes as I've seen. Remember, I'm not perfect. I'm still developing. These are just the little habits that I've realized that it's helping me. And then the fifth one that I mentioned now, that is knowing God, is the one that finalizes it all, and I've seen many many changes in my trading journey. So what's good, millionaire? It's your boy Kokus FX. Thank you for watching this video to this extent. That actually shows that you're a self-made millionaire, and a millionaire for life. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, and see you guys in the next video. Peace. Don't just watch this video. Go to your trading journey and implement this stuff that I've showed you guys, and then see you guys in the next video. Peace, and see you guys in the next video.